I have tested over 100 mascaras. I'm the girl that tries out mascara so that you don't have to, and here is my updated top 10 and top worst.
Kicking off the top 10 do not is the Bite Upswing Mascara, Maybelline Snapscara, Kat Von D Go Big or Go Home, Ulta Twisted Volume, YSL Volume Effect, Blink Original Tubing Mascara, Smashbox Superfan Fanned Out Mascara, Bestity Long Curl Mascara, Batty Lashes Mascara. This is as generic as it looks. Number 2 on my do not buy list is the mascara from Physicians Formula with the fiber extensions. And my number 1 do not buy mascara is Florence by Mills, which makes me so sad because I love her, but you can literally see how bad this mascara is right through the tube.
Okay, now for my updated top 10 mascaras. I will have you know, I do not take this lightly. I'm looking for a formula that lasts, that gives me length, separation, and volume. So without further ado, here we go.
Kicking off top 10 with Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara, Maybelline The Falsies Push-Up Drama, Essence Lash Princess Aurora Volume Mascara from the Disney Princess line, L'Oreal Paris Unlimited Mascara would rank way higher if I could find it in black that wasn't waterproof, Vivienne Sable Paris Cabaret Premiere, Patrick Ta Major Volume Mascara, e.l.f. Lash It Loud, Butter London Stroke of Wow Volumizing Mascara. Coming in at number 2, but really like 1.5 is Rare Beauty. I absolutely love this mascara. It works on all levels. But after 100 mascaras, Bad Gal Bang from Benefit still reigns supreme.
This mascara gives me length, separation, volume, and the tube lasts literally forever. After over 100 mascaras, she's still reigning supreme. Tag your favorite mascara in the comments so that I can try it if I haven't already.